Hello guys, Craig Newton here. This is episode 3 of me starting my 10th knex ball machine. So, what I've done so far is I've done a small lift right here, then I've been build another floor, which is this end. So, it has 2 floors on this machine. And it has 2 lifts. Well, I started the third one, that would be this one right here. It's just going to be the chain lift, the usual normal lift, So, and I actually started the separator. Well, I was building it yesterday. You've probably seen it before, but I actually have decided about this, so I just built that one. So that will be on this machine. I'll probably put it, wouldn't it be up here? So I was thinking I just put it up here, so you will see that. Anyways, I just put a ball down just now, and yeah, it's fine. Just drop it in there like that as well. I will build this bit as well. I kind of forget that, so actually just get that out of now. I'm just gonna turn that on. So I'll just show you down the bottom how this lift works. It uses a chain and then it goes under, and it's right there, well it's to there, and that's why I built this bit right here. It's kind of dark, but I'm using the black. It's like a grey wood, but I'm using the black. So it spins that, and that's the whole reason I built that bit, and then that's the whole reason I built that lift there. So I put a ball there, and it goes on that lift, and it goes up there. So that's how it works. Well, that's what this lift is for. Just in case some balls land that side and then it goes onto that lift so it can go that side, which is cool. And then it goes on to that first lift, and it goes on that another lift as well, which is cool. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna show you in today's video. So I will do the chain lift, and hopefully I will put the separator on it. Then it will be paths as well. So I don't know how many paths it's going to be, maybe 5. I was thinking 5 paths on this machine. So I hope you guys looking forward to this. I'll try to let you go now, guys. Just leave a like on this video and comments as well, and make sure you subscribe as well. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.